Hello, friends, and let's talk about color codes using Adobe Illustrator. One of the things sometimes it's helpful to know is the various types of colors that exist in a logo, a drawing, anything that you create. For today, I'm going to go through how to eyedrop colors quickly, show you where the different colors are, and then how to access your Pantone color swatch. Being able to use the Pantone color swatch is really helpful because some businesses will only print things if they have the Pantone color. This is really true for like t-shirts, swag, stickers, things like that. So knowing how to access the Pantone color is important, and it's not super obvious unless somebody shows you how to do it. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with the series of logos that I've given you for today's activity. I'm just going to do the target one to get us started, and then you'll be on your own for the rest. I've given you the four color codes that I'm looking for, along with a swatch that you can adjust and change the color on. So I'm actually going to take this swatch first and use my eyedropper tool, which is over here on my keyboard, or it is I on the keyboard. And I'm just going to select the color out of these logos. And even though they're locked, you can still color code or still eyedrop those colors, excuse me. Now, Pantone is a limited number of colors. It is not every color available. It is only the ones that a printer can print from. A lot of businesses will only put their logos in Pantone colors in order to help things make things more effective. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to open up my swatches, and I'm going to go here to color books, and I'm going to choose Pantone solid coated. That's kind of the go-to Pantone book in my opinion, based on what I know about printing and things like that. Once I've opened this, you're going to see that this is all of the colors available with the Pantone library. And I know it looks like a lot, but it really isn't as many as you think it is. But once we find out what the Pantone color is, it's automatically going to select that and add it into our swatches. To access this, we're going to go to Edit, Edit Color, and we're going to say Recolor Artwork. Colors, excuse me, color library, there we go, color books, and then I'm going to come down here to solid coated Pantone. Then if I click my advanced option, then you're going to be able to say okay when you're all done. The other thing is you can see it right here, Pantone plus solid coated, and it's going to tell me what that is. It's also going to see where it's going to say the HSB, which is that HSB lab color, which is kind of a similar thing. I'm going to say okay. And now you can see in my swatches, which I'm going to make this large thumbnail, you can see if I hover over that, I now know that my target red is Pantone 485C. Okay, just to show you one more, easy peasy, eyedrop, edit, edit colors, recolor artwork. And the beautiful thing is it's so simple once you have it already kind of ready to go, and it's something you can bop through very quickly. I like that this changes so you can see the limited number of colors available, and most of the time the prominent color, which is down here, is not going to change dramatically from the Pantone. It gets super close, and then you don't have to worry about whether it changes dramatically. Okay. Please make sure that you write out all the CMYK, the RGB, what the hexadecimal is as well. You can double click the color picker here and get the the RGB, the CMYK, the hexa, and then of course you want to find that HSB lab Pantone color in order to be able to change your swatch and write this out. I've given you some that are single colors, some that are two, and then down here, which is the Instagram logo, you just need to figure out the three most prominent colors that make that gradient. Make sure you save your work, last name, first name, period, and this one is called color codes. Thanks.